In this video, we will be discussing and defining the terms that are commonly used in the plumbing code and practice. We will do it alphabetically, okay? Let us start. Here are the words from letters A to C.
ABS stands for acrylonitrile-butadiene-styrene. It is a black plastic pipe that is commonly used for drainage, sewage and vents. It is also used in DWV systems or the drain waste vent, which are designed to remove wastewater from a home. ABS.
Air brake. Physical separation, which may be a low inlet into the indirect waste receptor from the fixture, appliance or device indirectly connected. Air brake.
Air gap in drainage. The unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe, plumbing fixture, appliance or appurtenance conveying waste to the food level rim of the receptor. Air gap in drainage.
Air gap in water distribution. It is the unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe or faucet conveying potable water to the flood level rim of any tank or fixture. Air gap in water distribution.
Apprentice plumber. An entry-level plumber, learning the trade. Apprentices may work with a journeyman, under the supervision of a master plumber. Apprentice plumber.
Area drain. A receptor designed to collected surface or storm water from an open area. Area drain.
Aspirator. It is a fitting or device supplied with water or other fluid under positive pressure which passes through an integral orifice or constriction, causing a vacuum. Aspirator.
Backflow. The flow of water or other liquids, mixtures or substances into the distribution pipes of a potable supply of water from any source other than from its intended source. Backflow.
Backflow connection. It is a condition or any arrangement whereby reverse flow can occur. Backflow connection.
Back pressure backflow. It occurs due to an increased reverse pressure above the supply pressure. This may be due to pumps, boilers, gravity or other source of pressure. Back pressure backflow.
Backflow preventer. It is a device or means to prevent flow of liquid from returning to the source of supply. It is also known as vacuum breaker. Backflow preventer.
Back siphonage. The term used for the flowing back of used, contaminated or polluted water from a plumbing fixture or vessel into a water supply pipe due to negative pressure in such pipe. Back siphonage.
Backwater valve. It is a device installed in a drainage system to prevent reverse flow. Backwater valve.
Back vent pipe. The part of a vent line, which connects directly with an individual trap underneath or behind the fixture and extends to the branch or main vent pipe at any point higher than the fixture or fixture traps it serves. This is sometimes called an individual vent. Back vent pipe.
Ball cock. It is a valve opened and closed by the fall and rise, respectively, of an attached ball floating on the surface of the liquid. Ball cock.
Ball joint. A type of pipe connection in which a ball-shaped end is held in a cup-like shell and allows movements in every direction. Ball joint.
Bathroom. A room equipped with a shower stall or bathtub. Note that there are 4 types of bathroom. We have the full bath that contains lavatory, toilet, shower stall and bathtub. Next is the 3/4 bath which contains toilet, lavatory and shower stall. The other is 1/2 bath contains toilet and lavatory. Lastly the 1/4 bath which also known as powder room and consists of only either a toilet or shower.
Battery of fixtures. The term used for any group of 2 or more similar, adjacent fixtures which discharge into a common horizontal waste or soil branch. Battery of fixtures.
Bell or hub. That portion of a pipe which, for a short distance, is sufficiently enlarged to receive the end of another pipe of the same diameter for the purpose of making a caulked or push-on joint. Bell or hub.
Bending pin. A tool for straightening or bending lead pipe. Bending pin.
Bib. Synonymous with faucet, cock, tap and plug. Bib.
Bidet. A plumbing fixture used for washing the middle private part of the body, especially the genitals. also called a sitz bath. Bidet.
Blank flange. A pipe flange that is not drilled for bolt holes. Blank flange.
Blind flange. A flange that closes the end of a pipe. There is no opening for the passage of liquid or gas. Blind flange.
Blow off. A controlled outlet of a pipeline to discharge liquid or detritus. Blow off.
Boiler blow off. A valve outlet of a boiler that permits discharge of accumulated sediment. Boiler blow off.
Branch. Any part of the piping system other than a main, riser or stack. Branch.
Branch interval. A length of soil or waste stack corresponding in general to a story height, but in no case less than 2.43 meters, within which the horizontal branches from one floor or story of a building are connected to the stack. Branch interval.
Braze joint. Any joint obtained by joining of metal parts with alloys which melt at temperatures higher than 449 degrees centigrade, but lower than the melting temperature of the parts to be joined. Braze joint.
Building drain. That part of the lowest horizontal piping of a drainage system which receives the discharge from soil, waste and other drainage pipes inside the walls of the building and conveys it to the building sewer beginning 0.60 meter outside the building wall. Building drain.
Building sewer. That part of the horizontal piping of a drainage system which starts from the end of the building drain and which receives the discharge of the building drain and conveys it to a public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system or other point of disposal. Building sewer.
Building subdrain. That portion of an underground system which cannot drain by gravity into the building sewer. Building subdrain.
Building supply. The pipe carrying potable water from the water meter or other source of water supply to a building or other point of use or distribution on the lot. Building supply shall also mean water service connection. Building supply.
Caulking. Plugging and opening with oakum, lead or other materials that are pounded into the annular space. Also, the material pounded into the annular opening. Caulking.
Cap. A fitting, screwed or caulked over the end of a pipe for closing the pipe end. Cap.
Catch basin. A receptacle in which liquids are retained for a sufficient period of time to allow settleable material to deposit. Catch basin.
Certified backflow assembly tester. A person who has shown competence to test and maintain backflow assemblies to the satisfaction of the administrative authority having jurisdiction. Certified backflow assembly tester.
Cesspool. A non-watertight lined excavation in the ground which receives the discharge of a sanitary drainage system or part thereof, designed to retain the organic matter and solids discharging thereof, but permitting the liquid to seep through the bottom and sides of the cesspool. Cesspool.
Chase. A vertical shaft for installation of different pipe stacks. Chase.
Check valve. A valve that automatically closes to prevent the flow of liquid or gas in a reverse direction. Check valve.
Circuit vent. A group of vent pipe which starts in front of the extreme fixture connection on a horizontal branch and connects to the vent stack. Circuit vent.
Clarifier. Also known as interceptor. A device designed and installed to separate and retain deleterious, hazardous or undesirable matters from normal wastes and permits normal sewage or liquid wastes to discharge into the disposal terminal by gravity. Clarifier.
Clear water waste. Cooling water and condensate drainage from refrigeration and air conditioning equipment, cooled condensate from steam heating systems, cooled boiler blowdown water. Clear water waste.
Clinic sink. A sink designed primarily to receive wastes from bedpans and having a flush rim, an integral trap with a visible trap seal, and the same flushing and cleansing characteristics as a water closet. Clinic sink.
Common vent. Also known as unit vent or dual vent. An arrangement of venting so installed that one vent pipe will serve two traps. Common vent.
Combination fixtures. A fixture combining one sink and tray or a 2 or 3 compartment sink or tray in one vent. Combination fixtures.
Combination waste and vent system. Specially designed system of waste piping embodying the horizontal wet venting of one or more sinks or floor drains by means of a common horizontal waste and vent pipe, adequately sized to provide free movement of air above the flow line of the drain. Combination waste and vent system.
Common. That part of a plumbing system designed and installed to serve more than one appliance, fixture, building, or system. Common.
Contamination. An impairment of the quality of the potable water which creates an actual hazard to the public health through poisoning or spreading of disease by sewage, industrial fluids, or waste. Also, defined as high hazard. Contamination.
Continuous vent. A vertical vent that is a continuation of the drain to which the vent connects. Continuous vent.
Continuous waste. A drain connecting the compartments of a set of fixtures to a trap or connecting other permitted fixtures to a common trap. Continuous waste.
Conductor. A pipe inside the building which conveys storm water from the roof to a storm drain, combined building sewer, or other approved point of disposal. Conductor.
Corporation cock. A stop valve placed at the connection of the water service pipe to the water main. Corporation cock.
CPVC. Stands for chlorinated polyvinyl chloride.
Critical level or CL marking. A marking on a backflow prevention device or vacuum breaker. Critical level.
Cross connection. Any connection or arrangement, physical or otherwise, between a potable water supply system and any plumbing fixture or any tank receptacle, equipment or device, through which enables non-potable, used, unclean, polluted, contaminated water or other substances to enter into any part of such potable water system under any condition. Cross connection.
Let's take a break, guys. Feel free to watch this again to familiarize yourself. Letters D, E, F, and G is on the next video. To stay updated, please don't forget to click like, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Good luck on your exams.